In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Copilot with your support platform. If you've been looking to streamline your support services and enhance customer interactions, integrating an advanced AI like Copilot can be a game changer. We'll walk through the entire process so you can get started smoothly and efficiently. First, let's talk about getting Copilot integrated with your support platform. If you haven't set up Copilot yet, the first thing you'll want to do is ensure that your support platform is compatible with it. Supported platforms often have integration options listed in their settings or plugins section. Once you've confirmed compatibility, you'll typically find an integrations or APIs tab on your support platform. From here, you'll generate an API key or a similar credential. This is what you'll use to connect Copilot directly to your platform. Log into your Copilot account, and under the integration settings, you should be able to enter this key. Watch for prompts or specific checks that confirm a successful connection. A common mistake here is not saving updates or forgetting to activate the integration within both systems, so double check everything has been correctly set before moving on. Next, it's crucial to train your AI with FAQs and support scripts. This is where Copilot starts getting smart about how to handle incoming queries. Begin by compiling a list of the most frequently asked questions your team receives, along with their current responses. You want to translate these insights into a format that the AI can learn from. Within Copilot, there's typically a section for uploading or inputting FAQ documents or data. Make sure these are as clear and comprehensive as possible. Also, consider support scripts or past conversations that illustrate valuable dialogue with customers. Using these real-world examples, Copilot can pick up the nuances of how to respond effectively within your brand's tone and style. The more varied examples you provide, the more robust and versatile the AI will become in offering accurate resolutions to customer inquiries. Once you've trained Copilot, it's time to set up automated responses. This feature helps answer simple or repetitive questions without human intervention, freeing up your team to tackle more complex issues. In your AI dashboard, locate the Automated Responses section. This area will allow you to configure the types of questions Copilot should automatically address. It could range from shipping times, return policies, or basic troubleshooting suggestions. Remember to test these automated responses thoroughly. Send yourself a few support tickets mimicking different scenarios to ensure that the responses are both accurate and helpful. Finally, it's vital to monitor and refine AI replies regularly. This step is about optimization and ensuring quality control over customer interactions. Set a schedule